Hey guys, Scott here. So since the whole wide world is going crazy over this new thing called the fidget spinner, I decided I'm gonna buy one and see what the hype is all about. So I found this one on eBay. So for those of you who do not know, it's made to help, from what I've read, autistic kids and people with ADHD. And as you can see, it spins forever and never and ever. I just hit it lightly, just that one time. I mean, even going like that, just tapping it. Now, as I hypnotize you, go out and share my videos. Share my videos with the world. Let's go viral. Take care, everybody. Hey guys, Scott here. So I'm going to be giving a free fidget spinner to one lucky person. Hey guys, so these are my two fidget spinners. This one I had for about a week. And it's pretty cool. The color is pretty nice. Got that unique rainbow look. This one I just got in the mail today, bought it brand new, and I am giving it away for free. That is right. And this one actually spins better than that one. Scratch that. Than that one. Alright, I'm not left-handed, so probably should be holding my camera. There we go. It's crazy how when you really spin it, it looks like it's going slow. But anyway, so yeah, this is the one given away for free to somebody. Or I should say, you have to have a US address. Sorry guys, I'm not going to ship overseas for this giveaway. So I hope you guys can understand that. I know I have some followers and subscribers that are from overseas and in other countries. So I will have a giveaway for you guys, but this is just going to be for USA residents only. There's no cost to you whatsoever. I will pay for the shipping, and like I said, this is brand new. It comes in this thing. Pretty cool. So yeah, just like the video, leave a comment and subscribe, and I will check your comments. Everybody who leaves a comment, I will check to see if you subscribed and liked the video. If you did, then I will write your name down on a piece of paper, and then what I will do is put all those names in a bowl or something and draw one lucky person in a video, and that